What if I told you that staying broke isn't just about how much you earn, but how you think, spend, and invest? Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in the world, didn't start with billions. He started small, delivering newspapers and saving every dollar he could. His journey reveals a powerful truth. Escaping the poverty loop isn't about luck. It's about habits. The poverty loop is simple. You earn money, spend all of it, stay broke, and repeat. Most people fall into this trap because as their income increases, so does their lifestyle, leaving them stuck no matter how much they make. Buffett's first rule breaks this cycle. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. In other words, pay yourself first. Even if it's a small amount, consistency over time is what matters. But saving alone isn't enough. Buffett escaped by investing early and letting compound growth work for him. Instead of trading time for money forever, he made his money grow on its own. Another key lesson is avoiding lifestyle inflation. While most people upgrade their lives as they earn more, Buffett kept things simple, focusing on building real wealth rather than looking rich. And perhaps his most important advice is to invest in yourself. Your skills, knowledge, and abilities are assets that can increase your income for life. Escaping the poverty loop isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. Spend less than you earn, invest consistently, and think long-term. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Now, here's the key. Most people wait for the right time to start, but that time never comes. Warren Buffett succeeded because he started early and stayed consistent. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into something powerful over time. Instead of chasing quick money, focus on steady progress and long-term thinking. Change how you view spending. Every dollar should either build your future or hold you back. Surround yourself with people who think smart about money. And remember, escaping the poverty loop isn't about one big decision, but small disciplined actions repeated daily.